Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily rename your Nothing Headphones 1 in your Android device. At first, we need to go straight to the connected devices. Here in Settings, Connected Devices. Now we have to tap into this gear icon near our headphones, and now we have to search for the pen icon. On the Android 16, we have this pen icon near our headphones name, for example over here, but on the Nothing phone we have the Android 15, and our pen icon is here, in the top right corner. We have to tap that, and now we can modify our name. We can add emotes, delete emotes, add some text, delete some text, etc. And when we are done, we can either tap rename button here or tap this tick icon here. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye, have a nice day!